In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of files in the cloud. If you've ever needed to hand over control of your digital files to someone else, you'll know that it can sometimes be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First and foremost, make sure you log into your Microsoft account. This is your starting point. Head over to the Microsoft account webpage and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the app launcher, often found on the top left corner of the page. Click on it, and a menu will drop down displaying a variety of apps available to you. Now select OneDrive from the list of apps. OneDrive is where your cloud files are stored and managed. Once you've clicked on OneDrive, you should see an option labeled My Files. Click on this to view all the files and folders you've saved in your OneDrive account. At this stage, you need to choose which file or folder you want to change ownership of. Simply click on the item to select it. Once it's selected, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, which gives you additional functionalities related to the file. Among the options, you will see Manage Access. Click on that. Then you'll find the option to Start Sharing. You'll need to enter the new owner's email address at this point. Ensure it's correct before proceeding, as this is how you'll transfer file access to them. Once you've entered the email address, you'll notice a pencil icon next to it. Click on this icon to modify the permissions you're assigning. Change the setting to Can Edit, which will allow the new owner to have full control over the file or folder. After completing these steps, click on Send. This dispatches an invitation to the new owner, ensuring they have the permissions needed to access and modify the files as necessary. However, it's important to note, OneDrive doesn't offer a built-in feature for directly transferring file ownership to another user, so the new owner will need to download the files and folders you've shared. After they've downloaded everything, they must upload them to their own OneDrive account. This step effectively replicates the ownership transfer. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to pass on your files to someone else in the cloud. While it might seem a little roundabout, following these instructions ensures the new user has full access and control, all while keeping your data secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your file management a little more.